let me show you a few different things that you can do. If on your Samsung TV, when you turn it on, there is no picture, but maybe there's still sound, so you can see sound coming from the TV, but there's simply no picture. So the first thing you want to do is simply pull out your TV from electricity completely. Then what you want to do, you want to find the power button on your TV. So it's, most often under the Samsung logo. You should feel a tiny button that you can click essentially here. So if I flip over my TV, you can see it better. I see you have one button here. So with it being turned off, you simply want to press and hold this button. So we simply want to power cycle this TV and release all the static energy from it. So we want to hold this button for literally a minute. So at least a minute. So simply hold and then plug it back in and see if that fixed it. And if that didn't work, you can also go on the back of your TV and verify that you have your power cable properly plugged in. If you maybe have moved your TV recently, if it has come out a bit, that obviously won't make very good contact and your TV might act up. So you want to simply verify that your power plug is properly plugged in. If that doesn't work, the last thing what you can do is you can simply unplug all the input sources on your TV. Essentially all the HDMIs, so make sure to simply plug them out, all the accessories that you have connected to your TV. So again, if there's maybe something going wrong with your device that you have connected to your TV, maybe it's not a problem with your TV, but the device that you have connected to it is causing these issues. So you simply want to disconnect everything. And after you disconnect everything from the back, you want to go ahead and repeat the power cycle again. So plug it out of electricity and press and hold that button on the TV for again like a minute. And if also that didn't work, next what you can do is you can simply grab a flashlight and make sure your TV is on. So if you are hearing sound at the moment, you simply want to take very strong flashlight and see if your backlight is actually working. So if you shine a flashlight very close to your TV, and if you see any menus maybe pop up on your screen, they may be very faint, so on your TV. So you want to simply see if maybe the TV is actually working, just the brightness is incredibly low. So if that's the issue, if you're seeing some menus on your TV, that simply means your backlight is broken on your TV. And unfortunately, that's a very expensive repair. So in most cases, time for new TV, I guess. So if you see that issue, but in most cases, if you simply power cycle your TV, it should return it to the normal state. And don't forget about removing all the accessories from it as well. Good luck.